Okay guys, let's find the area of this trapezoid. Remember our formula for trapezoids, base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Okay, so remember our base 1 is on the bottom, our base 2 is on the top. So we're going to do 6 plus 8 times it by the height. The height is going to be 4 times 4 divided by 2. So remember to add first and then multiply times 4 and then divide by 2 and write that answer inside of there. So again, remember to always add that first, multiply, so add, then multiply by 4 and then divide by 2 and you'll have your answer, and then type that in the blanks and you should get it.